So my beautiful people, Born Knife Ninja there again, back at it, you understand? So now this video was supposed to be done for quite some time now. You know, because they kinda, put my thoughts together and try to just really analyze what really got on. So in recent time you guys saw where I went to Lime K and did an awesome vlog. I'm gonna go over what place am I again? Or a Spanish bridge over Ochi. You know what I mean, guys, it was truly an experience for me. Really enjoyed myself, you know what I mean. Big up Nigel Yaman TV for extending the invitation again. So guys, I want to tell you to say, like, they really cry over this, you know what I mean, because that's something I'm really passionate about. So guys, I lose my drone. What bug? I lose my drone, guys. I must lose my drone, I mean, like it's crazy. I couldn't know the whole 9 yards still, so fast, we'll just go back to the whole Lime K. When we did over Lime K, I got some awesome shots, guys, and before that, the drone was a great addition to the channel. I extended the invitation for my subscriber them reach out and then can actually support the channel in any way they want to support. And upon doing so, someone had actually reached out to me, say, oh, they want to buy me a drone, which that was something that I really wanted, because I wanted to do a specific type, specific type of videos, incorporate the drone shots. And not only that, I had wanted to launch off in a drone business. So, the first drone work I'm gonna get after I get the drone, I think for one day I make 25,000. I think I did vlog it too, yeah. It was a party, I did vlog it. So I make 25,000 in one day for the drone, guys. And after that, it really come to me, I say, so I can really make a piece of food off of this. Side hustle, because I don't know, we try to just hustle, you understand? So I do that, guys, and the first drone work, and I get another drone work after that. You know what I mean? We think it was a party. Everything I did on my channel, I did vlog it. What I'm gonna do, just leave the link in the description to all of those videos on the video, so you can go check out the video them. You see it? Yellow. Yellow. So yeah, guys. So as I say, we get a lot of drone work, and and we come to Bams now, and we go over Ochi. So that is where the everything happened. Yeah, so I say Ochi, everything happened, guys. You know what I mean? So I think I never did post none of them footage there. Even the footage from Lime K, I never post. But what I'm gonna do at the end of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and post, like, you can see all of the shots there when we did combine everything together, so you can see what happened. And also I'm gonna put the scene when the drone actually crashed. So yeah, guys, I want to tell you to say, me do my thing, and I cook some food over Ochi, and I cook some curry chicken to be exact. Yellow. So yeah, guys, and I come to Bams now and say me I go the baby I come to me and show me I give him some cereal, and I show me the different colors, so I'm not distracted. So yeah, guys, so I say I cook some curry chicken and some stew pork with some white rice. And I come to Bams, and the time they get dark. Did I get dark, and I said to Nigel, say, yo, I want to get some drone shots before the time get too late. I never want to fly the drone, no peeps. You understand? Yellow. Yellow. Never want to fly the drone, but I come to Bams and say, no, I get a quick shot and fall back. Because they know me, I'm an experienced drone pilot. I try to learn, like, every day I fly my drone. Every God-given day. You know what I mean? So I feel like I did have a certain amount of flight time. And I have the skills. Well, I know I have the skill, but it's just that I did rush it. Yeah, baby. So I come to Bams now, guys. I'm launch the drone. Nigel fly for him drone and get a particular shot. When I see him do, I say, so that will look good. But I decide to have to go down in the Spanish bridge and zoom out and come up. So that was the shot. I want to get the shot from down when the people swing off of the bridge and come out. You know what I mean? So when I come to Bams now and I say, I go do that. I go down at the spot, position the drone. But I know that trees were behind me, behind the drone, but I never know how high, because normally I would position the drone, go look which part it there, spot it, and make sure say it good. But I was moving so fast, guys, because I have the curry chicken on the pot, obviously, and the pork and everything that cooks. So I never want to burn up the food. So I tell them, say, I come to Bams and lift up the drone and position the drone neat, quick and fast. Till all the man say, the boy, you're bad, I come to Bams, I fly the drone, and by the time I start come out, I realize in the frame, I see a tree pop up in front of the camera, and I say, hold on there. So by the time I see the second tree, I start push forward on the throttle. So the forward I start push, it never fast enough, you know what I mean? And the drone. Yeah, so as I was saying, sorry about the distraction. I kind of get distracted a while ago. So I say, I don't know which part I did there. So yeah, we fly the drone, go down in the Spanish bridge. So we come out to get the shot we want. So by the time we go down, come back up, so we see the first tree, second tree, we start push forward on the throttle. Then guys, the unexpected happened. While I was doing all this, guys, the drone was recording everything. You know what I mean? The shot was so perfect. It looked exactly how I wanted it to look. And the only disadvantage was I did it too low, which I never know because I never spot the drone. So by the time I push forward on the throttle, guys, green. By the time I put forward on the throttle, guys, the drone start go down. I'm not lie. When me see that now, I start run. Because in my head, I say probably touch one tree and it just shake up the camera just a little bit and it go probably, you know. Alright. So by the time I start, look, I see on the camera, because we watch everything. What color is that? Purple? By the time we start, look peeps, the drone start go down and everything start happening. I start run up and down like a mad ants. Forget about the food we have on the pot. And I'm going at the gully like it looks so bad. I don't know why I never all done put it in the sink. I don't know why. I never record when I was searching for the drone because that never did cross my mind. The only thing I was thinking about is to find it. But then in the bush for 2 hours, guys. Coach told me everything happened and you know, whenever I find it, you know, I felt so bad. You know, tears. Like I felt so bad, guys, you know what I mean? Because that was one of the best investment or one of the best things that's ever happened to me. Separate from these mics that I've received from one of my awesome subscribers, you know what I mean? And you know, getting the drone was something that we're really passionate about because not only for the channel, but we are planning to branch off and do video shoots and me even get video shoots off of the drone. Most of my revenue then come from video shoots from the drone, you know. As I was saying, you know, separate and apart from that, it happened and it really set me back mentally. You know, I really feel discouraged and I start thinking about it and you know, Nigel say, yo, just hold it. Yeah, I mean, and I say, no, we're gonna do the right thing. I will just keep focused. But yeah, so that was a streamline of income just gone, just like that. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, I decided to talk about it because we never really talk about it. I mentioned it in one of my videos, but I never got in depth to let you guys know what happened. You know what I mean? I think you guys should know because they don't know in our family. As I always say, I'm not just subscriber and a support in our family, as it. Each and every one of them. So we reached 18,000 subscribers and we're grateful for that. So the plan right now, guys, my main mission right now is to drive revenue. In doing so is to have you guys watch the videos, like putting out great videos, ensuring that you guys, you know, asking you guys to watch the ads and ensuring that the videos are on point and the video them nice so you can sit down and watch the video them throughout. You know what I mean? And that will really help out the ninja, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. That will really help me out as it relates to revenue wise so we can get more equipments because that beat me right now, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Equipments beat me. That's why we not really get much videos right now and the cooking thing and my thing, that's what I'm really focus on. As I say, we'll start school and we get our first catering job and all them things there. So even that video, the catering work, look most of the video don't even get documented because of equipment, you know what I mean? But peeps, as I always say, we did a Amazon wish list. So hoping that you guys can support the channel if you know, feel for support. In recent time, yes baby, we did receive knives and you know, all the stuff from subscribers, which we're grateful for. We're not like grateful for everything, guys. You know what I mean? But right now, 2026 and we have some banger content, so we want to drop and content them not cheap. So each time we move, we have to spend a certain amount of money and everything, so we can sit down and watch what go on. Is it? So you don't know that once the thing reach on a level, peeps, you don't know, we don't have to worry about certain things no more. We can start even help people as well. We don't really want to help, but right now we have to put in the work for build our thing and build the channel to a level where revenue just a flow like a river, you know what I mean? You don't know we have family and we have bills and everything. So yeah man, it's a good look. I will little things may start The house project, that is still active. Recently my father go up on the land and him do some cleaning up. I decided I'm not gonna really do no vlog on that. I want to do the actual vlog when we start. Lay the block them because we have a certain amount of block, we have steel. We get cement with there. I never did vlog that. My father did get me some cement and me did help him out as well. So right now it's just to dig out the foundation. Once the actual work start, we're going to start vlog about that, and you know, from time to time we can show you how we are progress, because as I was say, building it's not cheap, guys, so it's expensive in Jamaica, so we have to really work on the channel. That's my aim. And the only reason why I push out so much energy, peeps, it's because the channel will grow, we are get views, people are watch we, you know what I mean? Like when I say people are watch we are get views. You know what I mean? We're getting endorsements, we get people are reach out to if we do promotions and them little things. So, you know what I mean? It's not much, but just the mere fact say, yo, even the Cologne people will reach out to me, you know? That's a good look, you know what I mean, on the channel, and you know, we're grateful for that. So, you know, and in recent times, we get some other promotions to do. So, we're grateful, peeps. So as I was saying, we're going to see if we can hit 20,000 subscribers before my birthday, which is in June. Hopefully can reach 25,000. We aim at 30k, but in order for reach 30k, guys, we have to put in videos. And in order for me to put in videos, we have to work on the equipment then. So you don't know, we are extending the invitation one last time, guys. No, one last time I should say. You know what I mean? And if you want to reach out or do anything, you can definitely reach out. But in the meantime, you don't know, we are doing what we can do and what we're supposed to do. You know what I mean? So that is it. You might see the quality on the video pretty low because it's a different type of phone I use, and I like how I used to use it. But you don't know, I just want to make you know what I go on same way. So the ninja there, you know what I mean? We do the right thing and we're grateful for life, you know what I mean? Life for the ultimate. And again, blessings to everybody who go through the whole hurricane and them lose a lot. Yeah, see me? So that is it, man. So we're going to jump out now. I play the video so you can see what I go on as it relates to the whole drone shots them. And you can leave a comment down below, you know what I mean? And as well, the links are going to be in the description for the wish list and for the other videos that I actually done with the drone. So all of the drone video them when we do, when you can see them, you know what I mean, for sure. So no capping. Yeah, man, it's crazy. So hopefully we can get in another drone. Next time I think I'm gonna get something more advanced. Again, grateful, bless up to the subscriber who reach out to sponsor me that drone, because that was an awesome drone. I had no problems with it. The only issues was one, it did have obstacle avoidance, so that is to ensure that the drone is safe at all time in here, so that way if you go near no bush or nothing, it detect and you know everything safe. But you don't know, we're grateful still, you see it. So hope you guys like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, you know what I mean, and big up on yourself. Heart of love, love and love alone. I'm out for now.